Look at this massive wallet. All that money was made following one secret: launching tokens, not trading them. I'm going to prove that you can take a tiny $100 stake and flip it into $200 or even $400 in a matter of minutes, then do it again and again and stack up massive wealth. If you've been glued to your phone chasing sketchy trading signals or getting burned by unpredictable projects, you've been doing it wrong. The secret to accumulating significant wealth in this space isn't speculation, it's creation. The old gatekeepers want you to think this takes coding skills or a massive audience. That's a lie. I'm about to show you the precise no-code mechanism to tap into the real fortune of the crypto market. Watch me launch a brand new viral Solana token live, right now, and bank a nice return, all in a few minutes. Here's the hidden truth of the crypto market. The real fortune isn't made by trading coins, it's made by creating them. The largest players figured this out years ago, and now it's our turn to join them. You could try launching on public saturated platforms like Pump.fun, the same ones everyone flocks to. But look at this endless list of tokens launching every minute. That space is really oversaturated. Fortunately, there's a superior strategy. Raydium is our exclusive launchpad that we'll stick to. While everyone else fights for visibility on the other crowded exchanges, we'll launch where serious capital operates. Raydium's higher technical requirements naturally screen out low-quality projects, which translates to fewer competitors and significantly higher profits. The good news is there's absolutely no need for coding skills anymore when you know which tools you got to use. I found my golden ticket when I stumbled across coincraft.fun. It's a stress-free path to easily launch Solana coins. The workflow is incredibly straightforward. Just fill out a simple form, and you're ready to go. After exhaustive testing, I can personally attest to its rock-solid reliability. Now it's time to get down to business and mint our coin right now. First, we need a compelling brand identity: the token logo. Let's just open up Canva, create a new project with custom size. Let's choose a custom 128 by 128 logo, where we can then paste our image in. You need a logo that represents something popular, something hotter than any asset bubble. My go-to strategy: viral memes, timely celebrity endorsements, or beloved gaming nostalgia. This time, I'm using a cool, rich Bart Simpson graphic, which really well represents what we are trying to achieve here. Paste your image into Canva and resize it to fit the frame. Just make sure the dimensions are correct, download it, and you're set for step 2. Jump back into coincraft.fun and connect your Solana wallet. In my case, I'm using Phantom. A standard permission request will appear, confirm it, and you're connected. Click Create Token and move on to the next step. Now we input the token specifics. I'll call mine Rich Bart Simpson with the symbol Rich Bart, instantly recognizable. My description will read, "Ay caramba, we are rich." Don't forget to upload your logo before moving on. Click Next once that's done. The tokenomics are preset with optimal configurations. It's better to leave these settings untouched. We'll need that full 1 billion supply ready later, so just advance to the next screen. This screen is fully optional and asks for a website or creator links, but activating it costs a small amount of Solana. I consider it an unnecessary expense, so toggle that option off and save your funds. In the next step, you can enter your social links if you'd like to build a community or already established one for your coin. For me, speed matters, so I personally skip the social links part every time and still end up with flawless results. Crucial investor checkpoint. These final configuration toggles are the difference between success and failure. You should really keep all of them enabled. Disabling any of them is a fast path to project death. A coin that allows the creator to freeze trading, mint unlimited supply, or alter the contract at will is an immediate red flag that investors will spot easily, since that data is openly visible on the blockchain. They will instantly abandon any project where these features are disabled, so better keep everything enabled and then hit Launch My Token. Approve the transaction in your wallet, ignore the warning messages since they are totally normal when creating a coin, and boom, your new token is officially on the blockchain. You can immediately verify all its on-chain data, including the sol scan entry. Your digital creation is now fully live on Solana. You can also check the Solana Explorer and verify the token metadata and image you set up. Before any earnings can start, we must set up the liquidity pool. No liquidity pool means no one can buy or sell our token. Head over to Coincraft and hit Create Liquidity Pool. This will lead us to Raydium, where we can create a liquidity pool to enable trading. First, link your wallet. Next, define your new coin as the primary asset. Grab your token address from Coincraft and paste it here. Then type in the token symbol and the name. We're then allocating a massive 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool, following standard memecoin best practices. Now add the trading pair and select Solana. Since you're the first liquidity provider, you can safely commit an amount of 1 sol, which is totally enough, but of course, the more the better here. Just make sure you reserve the 0.2 sol network fee in your wallet for creating the liquidity pool. Choose the 2% fee tier. This has proven to create the best results. This is the moment of truth. Click Initialize Liquidity Pool, approve the final transaction, and your coin is officially open for business. We are live. The coin is already indexed and visible on various tools. To monitor the performance, we need to view the chart. Open Dex Screener, select a random token on there, then swap the token address in the URL with your new token's ID. Hit Enter, and there's your real-time chart. Now, we observe and wait for organic trading movement. The initial lightning-fast trades are often just bots following their scripts. Stay patient and regularly check your Raydium portfolio under the standard view. Your liquidity pool position will appear there. If it doesn't appear there straight away, don't panic. It may take a few minutes after creating your liquidity pool. A few minutes have passed and we caught our first major purchase. Someone bought our token for 1 Solana, which pushed the coin's total market cap well past the initial value. A few minor sells are visible, but don't panic. This just builds trade volume, which looks excellent to other investors. Now, it's your choice if you want to wait a little longer or just already book your profits. For me, that's already enough, and I'll move on to the next step. Once you're satisfied with the market cap, head back to Raydium's Portfolio tab. Ensure your wallet is connected, find your position, and click the minus icon. Max the slider to 100% to remove the full amount, take note of the total sol amount, and confirm the remove liquidity transaction. A wallet transaction will show up. Confirm it, and you'll receive a message that confirms you removed the liquidity from the pool. The sol might need a few seconds to show up in your wallet. But then, the big reveal. I just secured an easy 2x on my initial investment. This strategy is highly repeatable with a really high success rate. You can repeat this process multiple times per day and book massive returns. A final note, this video is strictly for educational and entertainment purposes, illustrating decentralized finance mechanics. I have no direct affiliation with Raydium, Dex Screener, or coincraft.fun. This kind of opportunity is typically time sensitive, so if you're going to try it, act quickly while the window is open.